they'll appear, and then they're gone. If I had known before I courted what all his lying could have done, I have locked my heart in a box of golden, and never would have courted none. I wish I were a tiny sparrow, and I had wings, and I could fly. I'd fly away to my own true lover, and all he'd ask I would deny. Alas, I'm not a tiny sparrow. I have not wings, nor can I fly, and on this earth, in grief and sorrow, I am bound until I die. Come all ye fair and tender ladies, take warning how you court your men. They're like the stars on a summer's morning. First they'll appear,